In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract text from a scanned document in Scanner Pro on your iPhone. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn an image of a document into editable, shareable text using the app's built-in text recognition. Start by opening the Scanner Pro app on your iPhone. You'll land on your library, where all your previous scans are stored. If you're not already there, navigate back to the main screen so you can see your list of documents. Find the scan you want to work with and tap it to open. If it's a multi-page document, you can swipe through the pages or tap the page thumbnails to pick the specific page you want to convert. Clear, well-cropped pages usually produce the best results. Next, tap the text option on the screen. Depending on your layout, it may appear as a button or a tab. This starts the app's text recognition process, also known as OCR. Give it a moment to work. You'll see a progress indicator while Scanner Pro analyzes the image. Keep the app open during this step. Switching away can slow things down. The processing time depends on the complexity of the page and your device, but it typically finishes in just a few seconds. When the app finishes, the recognized text will appear on the screen. You'll see the words extracted from the scan, laid out in a clean, readable format. If your document has columns or unusual formatting, the app does its best to interpret the layout, but you may notice line breaks or spacing that you'll want to adjust. Now tap the Text tab if you're not already on it. This view is designed for working directly with the recognized content. From here, you can copy, share, or edit the text. To copy, select the portion you need or choose to select all, then copy it to your clipboard for use in other apps. If you want to share, use the share icon to send the text to email, messages, notes, or your preferred productivity app. You can also edit the text right inside Scanner Pro to fix any typos or adjust formatting before you export. Take a moment to proofread. Even good scans can have the occasional recognition hiccup, especially with unusual fonts or tiny type. That's it. You opened the scan, tapped text, waited for processing, viewed the recognized results, switched to the Text tab, and then copied, shared, or edited as needed. With this workflow, turning paper into usable digital text is quick and reliable.